Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Webpack Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to stop sharing files in Google Drive, or how you can remove your your file access, others file access from Google Drive. I will show you on my desktop, so you can see this is Google Drive. And first, just change your view as a list. Okay, so this is my list view, and first you have to find your share it folder or file. So just see this, so just find this tiny icon, two people icon. That's mean you have shared this file to others, or maybe you have make it public. So if you have shared this file to others, I just show you how you can share. If I click and if I share it to others like this, okay, so already share with others. Okay, so this is tiny icon shows that you have shared this file to others, or you have make it public. So just click on right, just go to the share, and here you can see I have shared with this person. Or you can check here this link, anyone this link. If you make this anyone this link, that's also this tiny icon you can see, two people I can see on folder or file. So you have to change from here, that will be disappear. But in this case we have shared this file to others. So now if you want to remove it, or you want to stop the sharing this file to this person, so just click here and just remove this person from sharing and click on save changes. So you can see this tiny icon will be removed. Still is there because we don't have changes this restriction. Just click and restricted only people you can. With this just done, and this icon has been disappeared. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.